Namaste friends, welcome to Synchronicity 1123. Today we are going to do the zodiac signs, what will happen you versus them in the month of April, last 10 days of April, what is going to happen. We will check the energies. You can see the zodiac signs for moons, your sun sign, moon sign or rising sign. And also I want to tell you friends that this is general reading. It may not, it may resonate or may not resonate. Whatever is resonating with you, please take it. If it is not resonating, please leave it. So, but cards always will tell the truth, and they will feel the energies and give the correct predictions. So you can trust the tarot reading. And I request you all to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also please comment if you like what I am doing right now, and also give me some guidance and give me some ideas that what kind of reading you want in future. So currently I am doing all zodiac signs. I have done from Aries to Leo till now. So now I will do the next four zodiac signs. So please stay tuned. We will start with Virgo. Let's see what is happening with you and your partner from April 20th to April 30th. We will see 3 cards of your energy and 3 cards of your person energy, and also 3 cards of your mutual energies. Okay, so first card is 7 of Cups reversed. Then 5 of Pentacles upright. Strength card. Okay, let's see what the cards is. So Virgo, this card shows that you are feeling left out of cold. So it shows that you are not able to focus. You are not able to focus on anything because this card is reversed. So reversed card meaning it is you are not able to focus on anything. You feel that this relationship is ended. You can't do anything. You are feeling helpless, hopeless. So you feel that this relationship is ended now. No more hope in this connection. So that is what you are feeling. Because of that, you are not able to focus on anything. You are not able to do anything. You are feeling very sad and painful. And also depressed kind of a state, anxious. So you don't know what to do. Night, you are not able to sleep at night. Actually, you are because you can see the person is standing like in the dark. He can see the cups, but he's standing in the dark, and it is reversed. So you are not able to sleep at night. You are continuously thinking about that. And this card also, you can see the 5 of Pentacles. So as the picture is illustrated, you are not in a very good position because you feel that some third party interference is there in your love life, and you feel yeah, this card also shows that you left out in the cold. Then there is no communication, there is no hope. You're at the moment you are feeling like that. So maybe you are separated and your partner is somewhere very far from you. Then you are feeling that maybe long distance relationship in this matter. So you are feeling that what will happen, I mean when the third party will leave this connection. So when we will have the togetherness and when we will have happy times, you are thinking, and you are deeply thinking, and very sad and painful the situation. But this strength card gives us hope. Okay, this strength card gives us that whatever challenges you are facing till now, so in this 10 days maybe the clarity will come, maybe you will receive the communication, or you might contact the other person, and because you know that this person loves you a lot. But the only thing is the third party interference. Maybe there are some cultural difference, religious differences in your connection, so you are not able to move ahead, not able to take any action. But this strength card says it is action. You are taking action. You must be very positive. You will be very positive, and you will be thinking that okay, the strength is coming in you. till now you were feeling hopeless, but now the strength card is saying that you will have the hope and the courage also to face it, and it is giving the clarity also. Let us see what your partner or person is feeling and his energies for these 10 days. Archangel Michael, Archangel Raphael, Archangel Uriel, please help us, please guide us. Okay, Three of Wands reversed. This is your partner's energy. Then Five of Pentacles upright. Then Wheel of Fortune. What else I can say, friends? Okay, this person is in so much love with you, and this Three of Wands reversed. Actually, this person is waiting for you, and it is a very long time this person is waiting for you. Maybe you are not confessing your feelings, or you are not expressing your feelings to this person. He is waiting. This person is waiting for a long time, but it came in reverse that the person's wait period is over. So this person may be contacting you, or you will be contacting this person, Virgo. So it will be you will communicate soon, and you can see the Six of Pentacles. So you can see in this picture, this person is very generous, your partner or your spouse or your lover. So this person is very generous, very highly influential person, or not influential, actually wealthy person. So he has so many coins that he can give to others who are in need of money or something. So this person is giving generous. Your person is very helping, caring, and he loves you a lot. And look at this. So your person is having Wheel of Fortune. Maybe he is manifesting you. So this person can be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or he can be same like Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, earth sign, or a fire sign. Person is your partner. Then this Wheel of Fortune shows that wheel is turning in your favor. Then future will be very bright, and even the angels are showering the blessings upon you. So this card is very fortunate card in any reading, friends. This is a major arcana. So this is giving a positive hope for you, and it is blessing. Then let's see what the mutual energies are. Please comment, friends, whether these signs are resonating with you or not. Mutual energy. Seven of Swords reversed. High Priestess reversed. The Lovers. Oh my goodness. I'm very happy for you, friends. This card indicates that your person in the past position, he might be a player, or he might be a flirt. This is what you think, or this is what he is showing it to you, that he's playing around with other women, and this is what it is real or not, you don't know, but this energy says that he shows himself like that, himself or herself like that. So they are not committing to you, they are not giving any answer to your questions regarding love and connection. So they are just playing around. You can see this card, if it is upright, it is like that. So this is a player energy. So deceptive, cheating, or flirt kind of an energy, but it is reversed. That meaning this person in your mutual energy, this person will be opposite of the flirt, cheater, or anything, a player kind of an energy. So this person is very honest with you. He will be honest with you. He will communicate with you. Then he will be very open to you. He will express his feelings. Okay, this is the High Priestess reversed. High Priestess means this is your card, friends. Whoever is the feminine is watching, this is the masculine energy. Whoever male is watching, this is the masculine energy, and this is the feminine energy, whoever is watching. So this feminine also, if High Priestess means it is the feminine energy, lady. this lady is very powerful, very beautiful, but this lady is very mysterious. Okay, she is also not expressing what she is thinking. This lady is also not expressing, not actually she is reluctant for commitment. Actually, this lady doesn't know that what she wants in future, what is for, what for she it is looking. Suppose someone is coming and triggers her in anything, then immediately she feels that I want that. Okay, she will be behind that person. Always she will be trying for the unavailable people. Okay, then she will be like very sad because she can't get them. But this card is in reverse position, so that meaning now you are also open, this female also will be open to the partner, then very honest, genuine, then she will commit to the partner, and everything will be nice, because these two cards opposite, meaning this is a very very positive sign for you in the love connection. And I don't think I need to say anything with this card, friends. The lovers, so you both are lovers, and maybe you are soulmates or twin flames, I don't know. But angels are guiding you to be with each other. So your union is 100% confirmed, because the angels are guiding you. Can you see the picture carefully? The angel standing behind, it is taking care of your connection. If it is long distance relationship, religion problem, any problem, this the angels will guide you. They are holding you full, they arms wide open, they are holding you both together. They want to keep you together. You are not doing anything, or your person is not doing anything, but angels are guiding you, angels are doing for you. Very good reading, friends. I'm very very happy for you. Very nice positive cards. See, I can't say anything apart from this. So you have a very blessed, not only in April, I'm saying in coming near 3 months, you will have a very best future, and you will have a union with this person. If you are in separation, you will be coming into reunion, and you will have a very blessed relationship, or maybe it will lead to marriage also, because the lover cards indicates that long-term commitment. So very good, friends. I'm happy for you. All the best. If you like this reading, I am not saying anything, friends, only cards are saying. You have to believe this. Okay? Thank you, friends. Thank you for visiting my channel. Thank you. Bye. Now next. Now Libra. Let's see what Libra person says. Angel says about Libra people. All the best, Libra people. Let's see what angels say about you. Okay, Judgment reversed. First card, Judgment reversed. Then Ten of Cups. Oh my God, nice. We'll see. Okay, Seven of Cups upright. 10 of Cups reversed. Libra people, we will see. Libra. Let's see Libra. Okay, already we got 3 exact cards, but all 3 are reversed, but I feel that we should take it upright. Maybe the 5 is reversed. Okay, so first card is Hermit. Okay, slow moving energy. Then the person is very have no hopes, and he is leaving all the cups and going away. You can see. So you are in this condition right now. You don't have any interest in anything. You are very hermit mode. You are taking rest, retreat. Okay. So this is a retreat card. You are taking rest, and you are going into in search of something. So you are trying to search your own self. Okay. Then 10 of Wands. 10 of Wands is a lot of responsibilities, burdens on your shoulders, and you are not able to bear the responsibilities anymore, and you are trying to close something. if it is regarding this connection, you are having so many doubts, so many problems in this connection. You are trying to close this chapter, and you are trying to give a proper closure of this connection. You are going into some ending a situation you are planning for. And nine of wands represents that you are still have somewhere, you have some hope of, and you are waiting for the partner. Actually, maybe you have a last hope that maybe this connection might work. Actually, your connection is not in a very good condition, so you are waiting, you are keeping faith, like so leap of faith. You are waiting for your person to take any action, or you are trusting the universe. You are feeling that maybe something will work out, so you are waiting for that. Then let us see your partner's energy. Six of Cups reversed, High Priestess upright, then Wands. Okay, so this is this your person's reading also not so good actually. Cups Wand says your person might be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, fire sign person. Cups meaning water sign. So water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay, so this Six of Cups, it shows that normally if it is upright, meaning so two lovers are sharing their emotions, actually they're sharing their cup of love, but this person is completely closed off with the reversed. So your person is a male or a female, so that this person is completely closed off. He is not expressing his feelings to you, she is not expressing her feelings to you, and they are closed off. They are not talking to you, they are in separation, maybe some kind of arguments or something. If it is a lady, if it is a female, so High Priestess meaning this person is not giving you commitment, non-committal person we can say. And this person is also always in this person's nature, always she thinks about the unavailable people. Okay, if she always wants an unavailable man, then she is not, she is a mysterious person actually. She is not telling you openly what she feels, what she wants, what is she's thinking about this connection. So she's not telling you properly or clearly. So this is what making you feel very sad, and you are into hermit mode actually. Because of this, you don't understand what is happening, what should I do. So you are taking a rest and retreat and thinking about this connection and situation, what to do. And you can see clearly these wands, they are all are fighting. So this is a kind of third party interference, or you have problems with your families. Maybe family people are creating problems between you both, or either your family or his family, or like your partner's family, they are not agreeing for this connection, or they are not agreeing for this. Maybe this is same gender sex connection. No offense, friends. It can happen. Okay, so this is not like nobody is accepting. They are keep on fighting, arguing. So this is what is happening in your person's life actually. So his side, they are not agreeing, their family, or this person, maybe this person is having a problem in job also, like career also, because the other people are not agreeing to what he's telling, or he's having so many problems in career also. This also can be a problem for this connection. Let us see what the mutual connections. Friends, energies can change. This reading is only for 10 days, so energies will change. So don't worry, don't be disappointed, or don't be very sad. So this 10 days will be like this. Okay, then Seven of Pentacles reversed. Then again Seven of Cups reversed. Okay, then Six of Cups, Six of Pentacles upright. Okay, This one, Pentacles energy, Pentacles meaning Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, and also it can be you or your person. You are Libra already, so this person can be like Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So this person is looking at the pentacles, looking at actually right now he's not looking at this connection at all. He's worried about his job, he's worried about his money, he's very much worried about his pentacles only. But in future this connection will have a good turn around, because this shows that abundance. This person is very wealthy and doing donations, charity, or giving money to beggars, as you see in the picture. So future is very good, friends, but present also this person is into dark, and he's not able to see anything clearly. Like he can see clearly, but he is into dark energy. So that meaning he is not able to take any decision. As we can see, this fightings are happening. So this person is not able to decide what to do. So he is very sad. But future, there is a hope, friends. Like future will be very good. So near future, it shows actually. So near future, you will have abundance. You will have the proper clarity, and you will be good in future. So this is what I have for you, Libra. So all the best. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel if this reading resonates with you. Then please comment also if you want anything any other video. Then I can do the same. I read all your comments, friends, and I reply to all your comments. So please do that. So next we will go to Scorpio. Okay, then we will do Scorpio reading. Scorpio, what are your energies? What are your person's energies? What you are feeling? What your person is feeling in these 10 days, April 20th to April 30th? These 10 days we will see what is going to happen in your life. First we will take your cards. Wow, 10 of Pentacles, very nice. Oh my god. 6 of Pentacles. Strength. So all the 3 cards are very good cards, friends. Let us go into detail. Scorpio, all the 3 cards are very positive cards, very good cards for you. This 10 of Pentacles in love reading, it says that you both have a very mutual understanding, and it is a very strong bond you both are sharing. And you can see in this picture also, this man and woman are very close to each other. So you are sharing a very good family bond, and you have a very good connection and understanding between both of you. It is kind of a starting a family, like you are very near to getting what you want. This cup says fulfillment actually. 10 means it is fulfillment. 10 of Pentacles, it is complete, fulfilled. Okay, so you are in a very joyful condition. Then 6 of Pentacles, as I told, it is a very abundance card, and it also shows that your person loves you a lot, and he supports you in everything. Whatever you want to, he will support you. Whatever you want to do, this person will support you. Actually, this is your energy, so you are that kind of a loving, caring person, and you will have a deeper understanding of your partner, and you will definitely support him or her in whatever they want to do. Okay, that much understanding you have. This one, strength. Can you see the infinity symbol on the head of the lady? And it is and she is taming a lion. Okay, so this meaning whatever challenges or problems you are having, so you are overcoming and you are taming it. Like you can do anything. The strength, that much strength you have, then you can do anything. This is also a symbol of new beginnings, new starting. You are going into new direction. You are starting a new direction in your love life. Okay, this all the 3 cards indicates that you have a great love and great understanding of with your partner. Let us see what your person says. I mean, what he feels, she feels, or what are the energies of your person. Okay. Eight of Swords. Oh. Four of Swords. Then Six of Wands. Okay, your person can be Aquarius, Libra and Gemini. Strongly it says that. Or very small percentage of you can have the fire signs, then Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay, maximum people will be having the Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Then this card says that this Eight of Swords, and you feel like your person feels like he's tied up with all the burdens or all the insecurities. He's blinded actually. He's not able to see your love. See so much love you are having, so much the potential you have to give to this person. You have the fulfillment also. Ten of Pentacles. But this person is blinded. He or she is not able to see what you are offering them. They are into their own world. They have their own insecurities. They are completely tied up with all the insecurities. They are not able to coming out. This is their past energy, and this is Four of Swords reversed. Actually, it is upright, meaning this is deception or backstabbing, or it is kind of a death of a situation. But this is reversed, that meaning everything will be clear. So now the whatever you are feeling, it will be whatever you have to say to this person, he or she is ready to hear and ready to accept, ready to understand what you want to say. And they will also be coming out of this deceptive energy. So they will be slowly coming towards you. Then this is Six of Wands. Okay, so this person is going to take action. Actually, if it is upright, meaning this person is going to take action and coming towards you. So, but this is reversed. That meaning in these 10 days, this person will not make any move. He'll be there only. No action or no communication. The things will be as it is. You have to give this person some time, because this person is not in an energy to come to you or take whatever you are offering. He is not able to take, friends. So you have to understand, and you have to give some time. Maybe next month these energies will change. Okay, we will see the mutual energies of both of you. Okay. Archangel Michael, Archangel Gabriel, Archangel Raphael, Archangel Uriel, please guide this reading and guide this connection. Death reverse, very nice. Nine of Cups. Six of Swords. Okay. So, death means actually this is not a scary card. Actually, this is a transformation. Okay, death meaning transformation and going into a new direction, whatever is not helping you, you will be moving out. But this is reversed. That meaning things are stagnated. There is no transformation. There is no movement. There is nothing as of now. It is standstill. There is no movement. Then this is a Nine of Cups upright. Reversed. So Nine of Cups actually upright, meaning it is you are one cup away for the fulfillment or for the completion of this. This is one cup away, 10 of Cups, right? So this is Nine of Cups. So that means you are one cup away for the fulfillment, one cup away for the completion of the task which you are seeing, or in this connection. What you want is final outcome will be commitment, long-term relationship or marriage, right? So you are just about to achieve that, but this is reversed. This is also stagnant energy. You are not able to move ahead. You are not able to fulfill the the cups. You are not able to move to the Ten of Cups, the completion is not happening. You are stuck, you are stagnant. You cannot go this side of the connection, or you cannot go to the marriage also. You cannot break this relationship, or you cannot move ahead. That is the condition. Even this Four of Swords also almost the same thing. Like you are not able to decide, you are indecisive, insecurities are there, so many are there. So finally this is Six of Swords. So this person is going to from this disturbed waters to calmer waters. So your relationship is going from now, at the moment your love connection or relationship is into disturbed position. This water is very disturbed, right? But this person is going away to the calmer waters. You can see behind the calmer waters. So your connection will have pretty soon a stable connection. Like you will get out of all this person's energy, and you will be going to calmer waters. So like your connection will be stable. Then you will try to understand each other. Then you will have proper understanding of this connection. So you will be moving to calmer waters. Okay, Scorpio, if you guys like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's move to Sagittarius. I am also Sagittarian. So we'll see what is happening in my life in 10 days. Okay. Let us see what are my energies or the viewers' energies. Oh my God, Queen of Pentacles. Four of Wands. Reversed, both are reversed. Six of Wands reversed, Four of Wands reversed. Okay, let us see what this means. Hello Sagittarius. Okay, Queen of Pentacles. So this Queen energy shows that this Queen is waiting for the person with the Pentacle taking in her hands. Okay, this lady is waiting, and she is very abundant and very intelligent lover, we can say. She is very faithful to the partner, whoever it is. This is a feminine energy, by the way. Then this lady is very faithful and intelligent lover, actually. That means always she will be giving something intelligent energy, like so whatever it is, the problems or anything, she can solve on her own. This is a very good card, friends. Four of Wands reversed, actually. So this means your connection. So till now your connection is about to celebrate, but it is not happening. But if it is reversed, so that means your connection is going to a stable condition, and most probably in near future your marriage or engagement will happen, or at least the talks or decision will be taken about your marriage or engagement. Okay, this card is very positive card when it comes for the love relationship reading. Then this one, Six of Wands reversed. Six of Wands also is a good card only, but the problem is you have to be careful with your finances. And when it comes to your relationship or love connection, you are a little bit scared, insecure of the connection. I mean, this is like you are feeling anxious, and until this happens, right, like marriage or engagement or some commitment, the person commits, see, till then you will have this fear. Oh, will it happen properly or not? Will he be with me or not? Will this marriage take place or not? Your person is giving you a confidence that this marriage will happen, this love connection will happen, and he is ready to commit, but still somewhere the fear is there. This is not a major fear, some little bit of doubt or fear is there in your mind. Let us see what your partner's energy says, Sagittarius. The Hermit, Virgo card, friends. Virgo. The cards will never tell lies. I am a Sagittarian, so I know. This is Virgo, the person who is in my life. Then 10 of Wands, Ace of Cups, reversed. Okay, this is the person. This is the Virgo person. This person is not coming to you or not responding to you, not communicating to you. Okay, this person is into retreat, hermit mode actually. He's very calm and quiet, and he's thinking like meditation, how the people do meditation retreat he's doing. He's into very calm and silent now. He's not doing anything. He's just be quiet, calm, no thought situation, no thinking what about this connection, what is happening here. So he's not thinking about anything right now. He's just taking retreat. Okay, then 10 of Wands. 10 of Wands, actually this person is having a lot of burdens or responsibilities on his or her shoulders. So this person is thinking of this closing the matter, like this may be not about your relationship. Maybe he's dealing with his ex or karmic partner. Then he wants to maybe close the situation. He's going towards that. He wants to end a relationship, and he wants to come back to you. Then Ace of Cups. If it is upright, it is very very like flowing. Yeah, the person's love is flowing towards you, and he's very expressive and all. But this is reversed. That means this person is not showing any of his emotions, not even telling you anything what is happening in his life or what he is thinking. He's very very deceptive. He's not showing his feelings at all. So this reverse card shows that he's not even giving a clue what he's thinking, what he's going to do. You don't know anything about this person, but inner feeling is, you know that you are highly intuitive. You know that this will happen, this will take place, the engagement or marriage, this will happen soon. That's why you are relaxed and you are sitting on your own chair and you are relaxed and you don't have any problem here. But because of this person's behavior, you have the fear of this relationship. What will happen in future, whether this person will commit or not, whether this person will marry or not. Okay, so this is kind of the energy. If you are married, then your spouse, your partner, you are thinking about like that, and your partner is not telling what he's thinking. Maybe they are far away, maybe they have a long distance relationship, so you don't know what is the situation, what is happening in his life, but cards are showing what is happening in his life. Your mutual energy, 5 of Pentacles, King of Swords. Oh my god, 10 of Swords. Okay, let us see. King of Swords is a card that which is right now this person is not thinking about this love connection at all, because he is having so many other problems, so many financial problems, so many other responsibilities. He is thinking about that. He's a stubborn person, influential person, but he is having no time actually for you or your connection right now. In these 10 days, he'll be continuously thinking about other things, his finances, his other responsibilities, other problems. He is not at all thinking about you in these 10 days. Okay, let's see the other cards. So this mutual energy is Sagittarius. This shows that there is a third party interference in your relationship for sure. Okay, this because of this third party interference or external interference, your love life is become a hell actually. So you don't have any hope in this situation, and even this person is also not thinking about this connection at all. So there is outcome is like it is better to move on from this connection. This is an abandoned connection, and there is a very good connection is waiting outside, like out than, I mean, better than this connection what you are right now. So the better than this connection, there is a lot of possibilities. Maybe this marriage will happen with somebody new in your life, because this person is not giving you anything. Even this cup also, it is reversed. So this person may be hermit means Virgo, or he can be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Then cups means water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. This person you are, the person you are thinking about, any of these signs he might be having in his chart. Then this swords, backstabbing, then lies, deception, very dark it is. I mean, you can't see any light in this connection, any future in this connection. So angels and guides, spirits are saying that it is better to move on. Like there are many good things around you, and there are many good like energies outside. So it is better to move on. This connection is telling. I mean, this card is telling. So all the best, friends. But this is, don't feel depressed or sad, because this energy is only for 10 days of April. Maybe in the month of May your wheels might turn. We will see. Okay. So we'll stop the reading here. I'll upload the video. Then we will do the next video for the next other zodiac signs. Thank you, friends. Thank you for watching this video. And thanks a lot for liking, subscribing, and the shares. Okay, please comment how do you feel, whether it is resonated or not, whether the signs which I'm saying is resonated or not. Please comment in the comment section. I will read every comments and reply, friends. Thank you for now. Bye.